Hello and welcome to another exciting video. Now in this one, as you can see, we are on the Manage Shops page, and what we're trying to implement over here is the function that we created earlier, delete shop, in our Fauna dashboard. And what we want to do is implement it in our Next.js application so that when we click on this delete shop button, we delete the shop and the related products belonging to that particular shop. So here we have the shop list, shop delete. And if I go ahead and click on this delete shop, what happens behind the scene is in our code, as you can see, we have this shop list page. And what we have done is we have implemented these two things. We have imported the use mutation and GQL. And then we have created this GQL, which says delete shop. And it's expecting a shop ID as a parameter. And then we're calling the delete shop method. And here we are calling the delete shop GQL. And down below, on the click of the button delete shop, what we are doing is we are calling this delete shop and the parameters being passed over here, and then we are reloading the window. Now, here in Fauna handler, we are capturing the operation name delete shop, and then you'll notice when we are saying client.query, we are making use of the query.call method, and then we are saying query.function, and we are providing the name of the function and then the parameter that we are supposed to pass. That's the shop ID. And if everything goes well, the result will be returned as true. And that's what we are going to test now. So here, if I go ahead and click on delete shop, and there we have it, the shop has been deleted. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. So here I'll be having this delete shop, and we'll have this description and image. Let's create the shop, and this gets created successfully. We'll be now reloading this page. So we have delete shop over here, and then we'll be clicking on this delete shop. And there you go. The delete shop has been deleted. Now, if I go back to my code, we have made few tweaks over here. So the Apollo query needs the data in a JSON format, but in our case, this particular function was returning just a Boolean value, true or false. So we have kind of formatted it in this format, and then we have returned the result, and the output is already in front of you. And that's how we can implement a function that's created in Fauna in our Next.js application.